Okay, so I want us to go through this update, a lot of clips from homeland showing what is going on in our land, especially in Imo State. So here in this video, we are going to bring to you some of this clip. And please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I don't have any issue like to or anything to tell you about what is going on. I want you to use your eyes and see that some of the clips somehow I don't trust them because why I say I don't trust them because of the person that shared it. I see some of them being shared by Sona Barawa. Recently he keep on dishing out some edited information like editing daily newspapers, Vanguard, and putting headline that pseudo activity. So I don't want you to hold me on that. That's why I'm saying it now because some of the clips is not from him, but we are going to go through everything that's being reported today on social media that took place in Atlanta, especially in Imo State, like I told you. So having said that, like the clip here is this picture here. You can see this picture this this one, as you can see here, it happened to be kind of one of the activities that took place today. So according to the reports, so you can see how they harmed this, how they injured. Let me use the injury, how they injured this car, this vehicle. This is a police van, I believe. So what I mean by that is that I don't expect me baby boy because this is somehow sensitive. You know what I'm talking about. Now this is another report.
First, first collect. Watch high. How about how woto ha zụrụ ha mkpori a ga-emere ha ebere ha wụ ndị osi ha wụ ndị osi kidnappers Nigeria so were gbanwe ha gburugburu. We are not a Nigeria. We are a Biafra. We are Biafra. I'm Biafra. Ganga nne nwanyị ka ibie nne nwanyị na-azụ ụmụ ya nne nwanyị na-azụ nwa nne nwanyị leleta ụmụ ya ganga nke o yiri o mere ha ịwa ganga o mere ha ịwa ọ na-eme esiri ọnwụ afta ogbunigwe gbachara ahụ afta agba ahụ ihe niile agbara ahụ ihe shirikwa ọnwụ ka ha bata ilikwe ha kọletara woto ha kọletara woto n'aka ụmụ Biafra soldiers ha kọletara ya na steeti Moro Nedin ụmụ Biafra army no dey fear them. We no dey fear them. The only Biafra we need. We are not a Nigeria. I got one ewu Nigeria for one day. Because I got watch on share. Thunder fire them, mama, them papa. Musa, ega musuda. And to ambigate down. Eda fono onye oshi ibira ka ịbịa bezuo ihe ndị leji ezu na-akụ ibira ka ịbịa bezukwuo ihe ndị izufuru akụ ibira ka ịbịa bịa wakwuo ụlọ ndị akụ ịgbawa ọkụ ịbịa gbachapụkwuo ya ọkụ onwezi ụlọ fọrọ ala akụ edi afọ ọnụ ịza edi afọ ọnụ ahụ ọnụ ga-efọcha achịcha ahụ ọnụ gị ga-efọcha achịcha thunder ga-agbagbu gị thunder go fire your generation edi afọ ọnụ thunder fire you your papa and your mama your generation ị ga-adị ndụ n'ime ala Biafra na ị ga-adị ndụ na Biafra na atọl ndị zu na ị ga-eso ha ala obodo ị ga-akwapụla ala Biafra ala Biafra ga-echeghị mmụọ nọ n'ala Biafra ga-echeghị sọfa ị na-eri nri n'ala Biafra ị na-aṅụ mmiri n'ala Biafra ị na-agbada agbada ụkwụ n'ala Biafra ụkwụ ala Biafra ga-echeghị ala Biafra ga-echeghị Leke ọ ga-echeghị Lori ọ ga-echeghị Afọ ọ ga-echeghị na Nkwọ ahịa n'ụbọchị na-anọ ala Biafra ga-echeghị ala ekwecha ya ya ga Ogbunigwe lahala iyi Ogbunigwe lahala iyi ọcha ọ nga amọta ka ole ka unu toyirela amọta ka ole ka unu adọkwala ihe a na-eme unu unu bịa ezu ụmụ Biafra ochi ma unu nwa ma ụmụ Biafra ụmụ Igbo n'ekpọrọ onwe ha ndị Igbo lechulu ukwu eri nri lechulu ukwu na-eri nri eji ahụ na-edisivụgharị unu ma anụ ọhịa ibi ya kụgheri ya ihe ọ kụgheri ya amekwe ya eke agbakwa ya egbe o burukwe akwụkwọ lisi dastiv ka oshiri ewu thunder fire your generation thunder agbagbuo owu eji ahụ ọ na-edi ewu si bịa nwara ka ụmụchukwu ji si wee kwado si bịa nwara ka ụmụchukwu si wee nụrụ si bịa nwara otu ụmụ Biafra si agagha ga-eji waya gebata palekwecha ya nganga Ogbunigwe lakwa ha n'iyi ekwe ya Ogbunigwe kwuru okwu material kwuru okwu ọ zụrụ azụ yesterday woto lekwecha ya lekwe ya ọcha nke Ogbunigwe gbarisecha ahụ ọ nke Ogbunigwe gbarisecha ahụ lekwe ya Ogbunigwe sọrọ ha nkwụ Ogbunigwe mere ha ịwa yesterday eresivụrụ woto n'aka ụmụ Biafra pa ndị mpa ekwe ha ga-abịa macha n'ihu unu ga-abịa ma n'ihu ebe niile ma ọhịa ebe niile wụ Ogbunigwe na ebe niile and ready for unu nwa we dey ready unu ga-ahụ ife unu na-erula akụ amọdụ niile ha ga-agwụsịcha thunder fire unu nga ke tọnụ after ndị ka ya na-azụ receive ya hot open ihu ka ọ laa ekili ahụ road thunder fire ọ ga-abịa kwụwa mpụrụ ka ọ collect ya n'onwe ya panepa yọbata bịa monsa
Ana we our boy. One mascot. Ana we our guy. Yeah, we're gonna figure. Yeah, we're gonna okay we machine. Yeah, we're gonna. Onye wa. Asege ana we our boy. Onye wa. We go back our phone to go. Okay, phone to go.
Is gone. The zoo called Nigeria is gone. It can never be the same again. There are arms everywhere. Arms everywhere. It can never be the same. The same thing the army has, now the people they have it as well. Is it not AK-47?
As I draw your army into the east, Pharaoh will occupy your land and it's going to your army to the east. As I draw your army into the east.
According to reports, that what we are seeing here is in Biafra land, and this is how they tow some of the armor tank back. And like I told you, I hope it is true. I don't know because the way you are seeing it is why I saw. I just read the headline, and it happened that this happened in Biafra land. Well, it's very very sad, and somehow is not. I don't want to say is happy. I'm happy to see that, but because if you know how many houses, if you know how many houses that they have burnt down, Kigwe alone, you pity for our people. Do you understand? Honestly, you will pity for our people. And the annoying part is that those houses are owned by people who don't even know what is going on, then they don't even know what to say. The only crime they committed is that they are Igbo. That's number one crime. Do you understand? That's the number one crime is that they are Igbo. Why must you be an Igbo? That is a crime. Anyway, let's move to another thing, and let's hear from Jamaica. All right.
Dear friends, this information is for the people of Olu, Osihitogwa, Osumuhu, Ihitenansa, and the rest of the communities that the Nigerian terrorists that has been devastating people, killing people, and carrying all manner of propaganda against the Biafra Liberation Army. I want to use this opportunity to address to the whole people of Igbos, the Southeasterners, the Nigerians, and all the international communities over the insecurity. I want to let you people to understand that we started with Eastern Security Network under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And when we started, there are some, I want to tell you why we enter Olu, why there is the presence of Eastern Security Network by then. Now is Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Defense Forces. I want to use this medium to open the eyes of our people so that whosoever that is concluding or whosoever that is carrying out investigation, so that you will walk in the right channel. Firstly, I want to thank the Almighty God for the safe journey, because the war in Okigwe yesterday, being the 18th, was too severe in Obinetite around this zone. So I have to go and defend my people. And thank God this morning I'm just returning to my base, back to my location. So as Biafrans are also, and I am also calling all Biafrans all over the world to continue to pray for our generals who has been sick for a few days now.
Holiday. I told her that I don't believe that audio. Surprise, surprise. It happened that audio that was trending, that they said that Gento was asking for help or crying for help, that he's being hospitalized and all that. It's true, because he's staying down, that he's talking about the generals that are sick and all that. You understand? I'm surprised, because I don't even, I was actually, I said that it's AI. But now, because yesterday when he made a video before this one, he did not say anything about it. Wow, let's hear him.
That Chukwokika Abiyama will continue to help them, for them to recover from the illness, because the poison was too disastrous on their stomachs. But I know that Almighty God will not allow their friends to cry. Then, before I proceed, I am making this record, this broadcast today, being the 19th of August, 2025. There is a man called Ekele Idemiri. I want to be calling them by name. These are the people who came to us as the Eastern Security Network and begged us by then in order to help them to fight against kidnappers that has been kidnapping people in Olo, to help them to fight criminals, to help them to make sure that the Olo axis are protected. And after Eastern Security Network have done a very perfect job, instead, they will show gratitude for the peace and security that the Eastern Security Network by then brought to the communities. Because of political interest, just like what this man in Aaron Zog, this Mazi Zumes. I remember when we in Olo, it was Mazi Zumes and Esekosman Demha and the other political leaders of Aaron Zog. They did the same thing. They came to Mazi Janto and they begged Mazi Janto to help them to eradicate Fulanis, kidnappers at Ekpora or Kigwe, of which Janto reached agreed with them and came out and came all the way from Olo. It was Mazi Zumes that brought our presence in Arondizog. It was Mazi Zumes that brought the presence of Gento and his men to Ekpora in order to chase away Fulanis, of which the men on the ground chased away Fulanis. That's why there's no more kidnapping in Ekpora till today. So what did Gento get in return? The same Mazi Zumes, the same Arondizog politicians, the same Arondizog stakeholders who willingly came to Gento privately in a meeting, in delegates. Then it was them now that is calling Gento a terrorist. It was them now that turned against the men on the ground, calling them unknown gunmen. Let me use this opportunity to address the international community and to address the Southeast and to address.
Before he go there, I have been trying, like I said earlier in the video that I made, where I responded to Sona Parawa and his like. You see, this is one thing I don't like, in the all this thing going on now, because it's now getting more clearer. So when PM was here, you are saying that some of the Biafra Liberation Army were having meeting, okay, with politicians, because they said before and after. So if those things happen when ESN, under ESN, is it under National Guard or under PM, that before that meeting was held? Because this is why it's always good for you to follow the government structure. So that one commander will not come out and begin to have meeting after meeting. Because some people have said that the problem is that politicians are the one recruiting people to commit crime. When you come out and begin to talk about the meeting that you have with politicians and all that, it may not go down well in the minds of people. I'm just saying. I don't know the details. Maybe the way he put it is not the way it is. Maybe he don't know. Maybe he did not present it well. You understand what I'm talking about? So I'm not saying that he did it, but if you want to bring this kind of thing out, make sure you arrange it very, very well so that people will not misunderstand you. I don't see the Liberation Army as a group that can work with politicians. Remember the other time, Gento said that he had meeting with Hope. Also, them people have come to my platform and why are you talking? Why are you defending them? Are they not the one that having meeting with Hope? Also, them. I told some people that look, having meeting could be delegate. Maybe someone will send delegate to you or contact somebody that will pass the information to you. Then it's left for you to accept or reject it. And that, even at the moment, I don't believe that they went for a meeting with Hope of them, sat down together. There's no way you sit down together with Hope of them and let that go and turn back. You know what I'm talking about? It's not possible, because once he see you like that, he, of course, he's not going to let you go anymore. Do you understand? So for those of us that believe that he's having meeting off and on, I don't think so. I don't think so.
West Southeast people, the Igbo people, that the Biafra Liberation Army is not a terrorist.
At all.
And there's no way they will be a terrorist. I want to give you a names of the people who sponsored us, who equipped us, who encouraged us.
Okay.
In all.
Wow.
Because of political interest, because of political manipulation, they turned against the men on the ground. They turned against men on the ground because of political interest. The same thing Mazi Zumas did in Aaron Izog. Now, there's a man called Ekele Edimele. Ekele Edimere. And the COC Akorisa. Emenihe Kasimia and the Odumegu Etulu. Naira and Power. These are the people. I want the federal government to investigate them. They are the ones that supported us. They are the ones that encouraged us. They are the ones that even bought some rifles, some weapons for us by then. They are the ones that gave us gun in order to pursue Fulanis that is kidnapping our people in Olo. I want this message to reach to the people of Olo, especially Osimohu people, especially Hitaransa. And all these axes now that Ebubago are parading, killing people, massacring people in the name that they are fighting unknown gunmen. Unknown gunmen are the Ebubago. Let me tell you, the unknown gunmen that you are hearing, you remember before that some time ago, who opposed them must say that he is the leader and the commander of unknown gunmen. So, and the Nigerians are keeping quiet to ask him, who are those unknown gunmen that he is leading? So these unknown gunmen are the police, secret police. These unknown gunmen are the DSS. These unknown gunmen are the Ebubago, the new recruited Ebubago in different forms and different names. They are the ones that are unknown gunmen. Eastern Security Network has never been unknown gunmen. They are open. The Biafra Liberation Army have never been unknown gunmen.
Okay.
Because what we do, we tell you that this is what we do. We show our face in order to tell you that we are not hiding. We are not unknown gunmen. Nobody.
Okay, that is not making more sense, right? So we are not getting, heading to the solution. So the same politicians that actually encourage them, okay, according to him, equip them, according to him, are the one now calling for their head. Wow. So maybe even Hobos of them as well, because last time Gento said that they had meeting with Hobos of them where he refused to work with him. You never can tell, right? So maybe somebody, I believe they are saying the truth. I hope they're saying the truth. Please like the video in case you are just joining us. If you are just joining us, like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. God bless you as you do so. We are about to close, but let us just complete it properly. We have to finish this, all these updates. Let's just go through
to address us with as unknown gunmen, Naira and Power. You know how you supported us. You cannot deny it. All this Edumegu Etulu, you know how you supported us. Apikola Obioha, you know how you supported us. Odonye Habat, you know how you supported us. Even Stainless, that is denying. Stainless, you cannot deny it. You started with Ikonso. You know what you discussed with Ikonso. And after you went to Ikonso, and the Ikonso helped you to eradicate Fulanis, eradicate bandits, eradicate criminals, eradicate kidnappers out of all. What do you do? All of you, because of political interest, you betrayed them. I want to tell you, for those who are calling General Butozo a name should desist. I want to let Olo understand that General Butozo is only fighting to defend you. Butozo have never destroyed anybody. The bulldozer have never burnt down supermarkets. So the bulldozer have never burned down people's house. It was a Bubago. It was Nigerian army that burned down a Kototo. Are you not aware that it was a Nigerian army, Nigerian security that burned down a Kototo? All the insecurities that is ravaging in Olo, I want the federal government to investigate these names I have listed you. Victor, you cannot deny it. You people are the one now fighting us. You people are the one now fighting us. But you people have left when you are assisting us, encouraging us in order to fight for the security of all people. Now you people have turned because of a political interest. But I want to assure you that the men on ground have come. We are the men on the ground. And Botozo is the only commander, is only triple general, is the only man that has the power to control any security apparatus in as long as Igbo land is concerned. So I want all people, please, I want you people to investigate where even Stainless knew. Go through these names. I want federal government to investigate these names in order to curb the insecurity. When these people now are investigated, you understand that we are innocent, that Butozo is innocent, that Gentle Diyawu is innocent. All these allegations against them are baseless. God bless you. Share it and to your loved ones.
Wow. Okay. Let's continue.
Igwe Maesa, Igwe Batobia, Pegade, all people of Biafra, all people of Biafra. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Look at what this Nigeria zone, Nigeria bandit, Nigeria terrorist, Nigeria Boko Haram using our money, using money, killing rubbish, throwing bomb in Biafra land, throwing Biafra army bomb. Look at the bomb that are throwing us. When this zone, the Nigeria zone, Nigeria military, on the Boko Haram, Bawamotuku Kabiam. The question, Kekelako Hako, Kekelako. Oh, Bobunigo, Baraho. I say tomorrow no day. The question, Diahara, Bausa. You go back to Belme. How about a home? How about a home gaggy? How about a home gaggy? You go back to Bia. Ebe, ay, the way how about almost to cook Kabiam. Age will go on. Care was shelling. Care was shelling. After shelling, be too much after. Ever, you go house. Knock. Age shelling. Body here. And they burn people's house in Ako. They burn a lot of people's house in Ako. They steal people property in Ako. Pack all the whole property where they inside house in Ako community.
Wow.
Look at Nigeria Ganja Iwe, Nigeria Boko Haram, Nigeria terrorists. Nekwe ha gba ahụ Chukwu oke abịa ha gbara ahụ n'Ọgọst 2025 on 17th of August ha gbara ahụ Chukwu oke abịa ma ọkwecha ya ha soro bullet na wata anyị akarịala ihe ndị a ụmụ Biafra akarịala ihe ndị a adịghị ụjọ wee too Hope Uzodimma eji afọ ọnụ onye oshi Imbeside Efurefu Boko Haram kwa ndị Boko Haram mụrụ gị Fulani herdsmen nakwa ha mụrụ gị ha tụrụ ime nne gị ha rara nne gị ekwe ya ihe bịa mee iji alalụsere ụmụ ụlọ ndị akụ izucha ha ohi pakicha jiwo properties gị tinye ọkụ ndị akụ na-akpụrụ aka ndị akụ na-asọpọtụ ndị akụ na-anụ ihe niile ya bara ya ọnụ ihe niile izuzu arịa ndị akụ na-egeghị ntị ha na-atụrụ ya ego gị na-eji ya laa azụ bọmbụ iji abịa distọji ụlọ ha na-atụrụ ya ego gị na-eji azụ material iji abịa ele ụlọ ha gbaju ọkụ agba ma fuel iji agbajukwa ụlọ ha ọkụ ndị akụ na-amakwa ahụ empalekwu ya webata ebelekwu ya pamaisa
Today is 18th of August 2025, and like I promised Biafrans that I will be updating them over the genocide war that is going on in Okigwe State in the land of Biafra. And I want to use this opportunity to enlighten the international leaders for them to hear the cries of Biafrans. For the sake of innocent civilians, we are the men on the ground. We are the Biafran soldiers. We are fighting for our freedom. We have never been a terrorist. We have never been a criminal. We have never been a kidnapper. Even though the Nigerian government is trying every means to make sure that they painted us black, but we are whiter than white. We are only fighting for our freedom. I will show you a video for you to understand what Hope Uzodimma is doing in the land of Okigwe. I am live and direct, as you can see now. I am live and direct in Obinekiti, and I am live into this war. I am live into this war to make sure that my people are protected, and there's no way I will see my people are being killed on daily basis. I came by myself. I am live and direct. I am right now in Obinekiti. And today, also the Nigerian terrorist government will understand what they passed through in Obinekiti today. I told them that I am a disaster. I am earthquake. Anytime NJ makeup appears, is danger. And they observe it today. So I am bringing it to the notice of international communities for them to understand that the Major General Yahoo, the Papa Okigwe, is only fighting to defend his own people. Triple General in the person of Igwe Butozo is fighting to defend his own people. And likewise, all the freedom fighters, we are freedom fighters, we are fighting to defend our people. So we are not what Nigerian government accused of. No, we are not a terrorist. We are not a kidnapper. Hope Uzodimma, the Ebubago securities he created is the one that is kidnapping and killing our people. And the people will understand, okay, look at how they are burning people's houses, rendering people's houses. People, just look at this area now. You will not see anybody. That's why I am calling to the people around this zone, for them to understand that and Jamaica have come to protect around this zone, and there shall be no killing, there shall be no kidnapping, And if you're the kidnapper in the land of Okigwe, if you're the Bubago kidnapping our people in the land of Okigwe, if you're the saboteur kidnapping our people in the land of Okigwe, I am giving the last warning. Vacate from around this zone. Vacate from around this zone. Hope of them, you have failed. You know you have failed. I am live and direct of this war, and I witness everything. That's why I am bringing the update for Biafrans for them to understand what is currently going on. So, Mr. Putin, the Honorable President of Russia, Mr. Donald Trump, the Honorable President of United States of America, Ibrahim Traore, the President of Burkina Faso, Prime Minister of Israel, in the person of Benjamin Netanyahu, and all the lovers of freedom. Please, this is what we use to fight for our freedom, but we need more sophisticated materials. With more sophisticated materials, we are giving the zoo 1 week to vacate them in the land of Biafra. We only seeking for help. We are only fighting for our freedom. And this gun, these arms in our hand is not against civilians. We use it to protect civilians. We use it against Nigerian state government. We use it against Nigerian terrorist government that is killing our people. So, and I want to use this opportunity to warn the people of Ezinati to desist from the contracts that Hope Sodema have given to them in order to use them to begin to kill Okigwe people. The Biafra Liberation Army, under the office of Major General Yahoo, is warning the people of Ezinati, is warning the people of Omanumoke, is warning the people of OT, you know yourself in Okigwe State. The Major General Yahoo is warning you for you to desist from accepting the killing squad that the hopes of them have contracted you people. And any village that accepted this security will be visited by the men on the ground. In the land of Okigwe, there shall be no security. The men on the ground have taken over the security of this town. And any village that accepts a Bupago or any Niger security will be seriously dealt with.
Situation report aside them back about the Igbo and the terrorists the Nigeria Zoo.
Tie ekwe ha mege ewite ebu mgba na ndị
Back about the aside agaghị aṅụ mmiri ọgwụ iko the nonsense human being wherever I carry ha ka today ajịpụrụ aga agba ụlọ ndị mmadụ ọkụ build some property ndị mmadụ mpa ndị mpa na mokwu iru ngwe mgbe nọ nkịtị Hope ụzọ dị mgba ọ dị
ebe mee ụlọ ndị mmadụ nekwe ya Monday sit at home nekwe ihe Hope ụzọ dị mgba na ndị amị ya zoo terrorist soldiers bịa mee ụlọ ndị mmadụ nekwe ya ha bịa ha rutụcha ihe niile nọ na the house bụkọcha ihe niile were ụlọ ndị mmadụ mụọ ọkụ nekwe ihe ndị zoo army mega ụlọ ndị mmadụ the civilians okiso na ndị otu ya nekwe ha mega ewite ebube atụrụ na ndị otu nekwe ha mega ụlọ ndị mmadụ bigonu ụwa niile ha ji eme ihe na-akụ ụwa niile biko hụrụkwa ihe ndị iberibe a na-eme ụlọ ndị mmadụ na ndị ogbu onye ọma izọg na ihe eme ebe a ka nke a mege taa arụ ọka igwe ebe a ka nke a mege taa today being 18th of August 2025 biko neneni ha Suzuki ihe ha mege ụmụ mmadụ si na ụmụ ọma ka ha na-eme ụmụ ọma na-ebido n'ụlọ ụmụ ọma na-ebi n'ụlọ ha chọrọ ụmụ ọma bịara n'ime ọhịa ebe ụmụ ọma na-ebi ebe ha emege ndị mmadụ ebe ha emege ụmụ mmadụ ebe na ha bịa ha ewere ihe niile na ụmụ mmadụ n'iyi ka ha biriwe n'ezi ka ha hiwe n'ezi ka ndị nke ha na-ehi n'ụlọ ọ dịkwa pọsịbụl ihe a na-awa anọda apartment na-eche Uchenna na Okisofai ha bịa gbaa ebe ha ọkụ na-echere onwe ya ewu ebe a na-ahụ bịa gba ọkụ ube ọgọ ka ọ bịa gbaa ọkụ ma Ebube Agụ ma Zoo Army ha bịara taa with more than 20 armored ka ha ji bịa taa were ụlọ ndị mmadụ na-agba ọkụ biko unu ya ji eme ihe a ọwụhụ ihe ọkụkọ ji ebe a ga-awụ na emegburu onwe ya ọ ga-ọnụrụ ụwa nụrụ onye biko negonu ụlọ ndị mmadụ ụlọ civilians ndị ala ka ebe ha ga-ebizi na ekwere ya ndị ala ka ebe ha ga-anọ Nigeria gọọmenti ekwere.
Sorry about it. So I think my voice is coming out now. I'm sorry for cutting him off because of the sound he's playing, the music in the background is going to affect the video. So what he's trying to tell us is the damage, that according to him, Nigerian army have caused, burning civilians' houses to foundation level, pulling it down. In some communities, some area, it was reported that they went there with even bulldozer, like a very mighty caterpillar. And people are paying the price. Honestly, it is very, very sad. I won't lie, very, very sad. So we're going to end it here. Please tell me what you think about it and make sure you like the video. Everything that is going on, I'm speechless. I will not lie to you. And because this is the kind of a problem that you have a problem, but you don't know how to go about it to solve it. It is a very, very, very difficult moment. You know that you are in a problem, but you don't know how to go about it. Even if you have the solution, how many people are going to believe you on that? Please like the video and tell me what you think about it. God bless all of us. God bless you, and share it, of course, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.